Revitalize your bathroom, from basic to brilliant with MJP Renovations Corner Shower Installation. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on upgrading your bathroom with a sleek corner fiber shower base and elegant corner glass. First, we'll dive into installing the fiber shower base, ensuring it's perfectly aligned and secure for a watertight fit. Next, attaching the corner shower glass is a breeze with our expert tips, transforming your space into a modern oasis. But installation is just the beginning. Discover the wonders of a fully renovated bathroom, enhancing both value and appeal. Our vibrant images will spark your imagination, showcasing the stunning transformations possible with a little creativity and effort. If you are interested in what MJP Renovations can do for you and would like to find out more, DM us with the word PRO in DM section of the post and we'll be more than happy to provide detailed information. Thank you. Embark on your bathroom renovation journey today and turn your dream space into a reality with our professional guidance and exquisite designs. DM us PRO if you want to find out more.